over there for that big address. Let's quickly take this across to my colleague Swati Joshi. Swati, I believe you have the big picture with you as to what's happened, the major factors in this election, including key aspects of this. Which are the factors that have worked in favor of BJP? Let's break that down for our viewers.
Absolutely. This is nothing less than a saffron ki aandhi in the state of Maharashtra. And these clusters actually are the big talking points of what went in favor of the Bharatiya Janata Party. The first one is BJP debut. And look at the big share of this pie going to the Mahayuti. 115 for the Mahayuti and 32 for the Mahavikas Aghadi. Let's move on and shift our focus to the Dhangar community. Another factor, and like many were saying, there was a consolidation of the non-Maratha votes. This is one big talking point. Another a big share going to the Mahayuti, 15 for the Mahayuti and 9 for the Mahavikas Aghadi. This, of course, is spread in this part of the state. Moving on now and shifting our focus to minority. A lot was said about ek hai to safe hai, batenge, katenge, judenge, jeetenge, but no impact clearly against the BJP. In fact, this also seems to have worked in favor of the Mahayuti. 21 for the Mahayuti and 11 for the Mahavikas Aghadi. The MVA was really hoping for this to, backfire on the Bharatiya Janata Party. That hasn't happened. Then let's talk about the Mumbai metropolitan region. And it's the same story, region after region, cluster after cluster. 44 for the Mahayuti and 12 for the Mahavikas Aghadi. Quickly shifting our focus to the rural, and this is where the BJP has gained the maximum. So not just an urban party anymore, 152 seats for the Mahayuti from the rural sector, 32 for the Mahavikas Aghadi. Moving on from the rural sector to the rebels. Many said, this is going to backfire and that they'll be the biggest talking point. But BJP has managed to, in fact, come out a winner in this scenario as well. 68 for the Mahayuti and 14 for the Mahavikas Aghadi. So this is also a big talking point. Then let's talk about the sugar belt. In the sugar belt, like the MVA has been saying that they are anti-farmer and all that campaign, that narrative has not affected the Mahayuti's prospects. 46 for the Mahayuti and 11 for the Mahavikas Aghadi as far as the sugar belt is concerned, which of course is in Western Maharashtra, once considered the bastion of the undivided NCP. Let's talk about the soybean farmers, or the soybean farmers being a cluster, a factor. 37 again. Here also they are ahead of the Mahavikas Aghadi. 37 for the Mahayuti and just 10 for the Mahavikas Aghadi. And then let's talk about the consolidation of the non-Maratha votes. SC community, a big factor, voting once again for the Mahayuti in big numbers. 19 seats going to the Mahayuti and 9 to the Mahavikas Aghadi. And last but not the least is the ST community. Massive support coming in from here as well. Now, this is, of course, spread here in the Vidarbha region a little bit in Kalyan, Bhiwandi, and then you see covering a little bit of North Maharashtra and the Thane, Mumbai, Thane, Konkan region as well. 22 seats for the Mahayuti and just 3 for the Mahavikas Aghadi. Big talking points, and this is how the cluster voted, Madhav.
Absolutely.